So you think things are going okay, but maybe they're not? Want to know how you can know how you're really doing? Then you'll want to tune in for this broadcast. Let's jump in.
You've heard of unconditional love, but have you heard of the secret to unconditional happiness and allowing more into your life? More wealth, more success, and more love. More freedom in your life right now. Welcome to the Happy Bar with Israel Savage.
I think it's really important to realize that it's not perfection that we are striving for. It's just awareness. And so one of the great things about our emotions and our circumstances is that they reflect what's going on inside of us, our thoughts. And so it's a great barometer. Our emotions are such great indicators for what's going on. You have 2 points of feedback. Again, it's your outside circumstances, your life tells you what's going on inside of you, but also our emotions are great indicators. And so if you can learn to sculpt your emotions, in other words, make different choices about what you're thinking, which influences how you feel, then you can change your outside circumstances. You can change, and to some degree, learning to allow and to sculpt these emotions and thereby sculpt your life. If anything in this episode resonated with you, take a moment to subscribe and then share it with just one person. It's our mission to make the world a happier place, one insight, one shift, one share at the time. Just one button click from you might be the very thing that helps someone else's life click into place. Until next time. Remember, if you'd like more tips on this topic, then go to the link posted in the description of this broadcast.